3x minus 5 divided by 5 equals to 2 over 3. Now, this is a linear equation. I want to teach you how to solve linear equation. So, when you get to this point like this, when you have question like this, all you need to do is to cross multiply. So, if we cross multiply this equation, we'll have 3x, which is this times this will give us 3 over 3x minus 5, which is equals to 5 times 2, right? So we are going to use this 3 to open this bracket. 3 times 3 will give us what? 9x minus 3 times 5 will give us 15, which equals to 5 times 2 will give us 10, right? Now we have 9x minus 15 equals to 10. So what are we going to do? We are looking for x, right? So for we to get x, there are two ways to solve this. The first method is you are going to add 10, 15 to both sides so that we can eradicate this minus 15, right? So but for shorter method, all you just need to do is to carry this minus 15 to this side, and if you change to plus, you do 9x, which is equals to 10 plus 15. So our 9x is equals to what? 25. This plus this will give us 25. X, which is equals to this. So we are dividing both sides with 9 to get the value of x. So x will give us 25 over 9. And since we cannot divide both sides because here is all even number, okay, so we cannot break it down to a smaller component again. So this is the final answer to the question. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it, and let's go together.